Hello, are you good? Are you good? Oh no, Teals. Huh? Maybe more than. My Christmas tree. Merry, Merry Christmas. Balot na naman tayo. Ayan, magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi, kung anong oras man nyo napanood itong video na to. Tayo po ay naglalakad. Umaga pa dito, mga 8 o'clock in the morning. So, galing kami nagsisimba. Lakad. Daki-daki. Daki-daki here. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Litchen. Pirated Lake. Pirated Lake. What you call this one? Artificial lake. Fake lake. Whatever. Artificial lake. So, malamig. Malamig siya. Yung kamay ko naghawak ng cellphone, malamig. Yan, yung lakaran dito. So, meron dito sa baba. Meron din silang dito. Carnival. Very real. Taas mo natin yung paa. Kasi maglakad tayo ng malayo. 45 minutes. Ganda ng araw. Habang kumakanta yung kasaba natin. What you sing? What you sing for the church or for African or what? It's church?
You walk with us in the light of His word. What a glory He shares on our way. While we do His good will, He abides with us still. And with all who we trust and obey. Trust and obey. For there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. Trust and obey. For there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. When we do His will.
This goat?
Huh?
This is goat? Beer.
This is good.
Hello, are you good? Are you good? Oh no, no tail? Where is the tail? The cat? Beer? No horn. No horn, no tail. Ano ba yun? Kambing ba yun? Walang sungay. Walang buntot. Ano yung tawag doon? Yan. Iba yung ruta nating paglalakad. Yan. Normally kasi nagsisimba kami ng Martes at saka Biyernes. So, galing kami sa simbahan. Lakad-lakad. Malamig na. Talagang mafe-feel mo na siya na mafe-feel mo na winter. Malamig. Hindi na siya joke. No more joke in this place. Is cold. Tundaanan mo to. Para lakad lang talaga to. Lakad. bike, takbo. Itong ano na to, yung daanan na to is small lang, maliit lang siya, pero paikot-ikot. Kaya abutin ka ng 45 minutes dito bago ma-reach talaga yung end. Ang ganda tingnan. Uy! Tapi dito may sasakyan. Ito yata yung ano, cleaning. Cleaning nila. Kaya may sasakyan dito. Sasakyan na ito pa sa way, mabaho pa. Para mga basura-basura kinukuha nila. Yeah. More wider. Look like but nobody use. Maybe because have another one there. Maybe because have another one there.
That one is not wet like that.
Tingin siya kung ano. Pwede siya makapag-training dyan ng ano. Yung career niya. Umiinit na. Kailangan natin buksan. Buksan yung jacket. Umiinit na. Yan. Malaking kalsada niya. Shortcut. Ito naman dinadaanan ng longkat. Isip na diretso pa lang dyan. Dito iikot pa yan. Ikot, ikot. Ikot, ikot. Hindi. Hinahatak na ako dito. Look where is his hand? He's walking slowly. We can walk together a little bit fast. Maybe we fell down. Ayan, si Lolo nagbabike. Ayun, sasakyan ko. Ikot-ikot lang yan. Kaya lang siya kung mahaba. Pinawisan ako. Bagong na isang kami. Pine tree. Bayad kayo ang mga trabahador.
Ready now, we cannot walk.
Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda naman. What is this? Half typhoon there. He's sliding. This is stadium now. It look like go in now. It's more work than that.
Oh, yeah, it's more in the open. That one is hidden.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have some as well.
And I have a coffee shop. Bobo lang ako siguro. O bobo talaga siguro ako. Ano ba tawag doon? Kasi pag sinabi sa trabaho ko kasi masayista ka. Pag gumagamit kasi sila dito ng word na construction, yung contract, yung pag may masakit or yung mga bukol-bukol, ang tinatawag nila contraction. Nung una ko siyang naririnig, contraction. Ang gumagawa ng building. Hindi pa. Tanga lang. Contract pala yung yung masakit o may problema. Tinatawag nilang contraction. Ganun pala yun. Huh? I don't know. No, it look like wide. Maybe another training ground. Another training ground. Because he's here. We have there, have another there. Also here, also there. What is that? May placard sila dito nakalagay.
Be careful how much she's there.
Where?
You don't see it? Oh, look here, you're walking to.
Ano sinasabi? See, this destroy again. This is what flag? Is China. So, Albania and China, are you friends? So, yan po. Kung kayo po ay nasiyahan at natuwa dito sa ating content for today, don't forget, subscribe, like, share, leave comment below, and bell the notification button so that you are updated our latest uploaded videos. So, kung kayo ay bago pa sa ating channel, alam nyo na,